ready?
It is live on and working via Instagram.
Hello everyone, I am Piper Wright on the scene here in Collingswood Middle School. As you can see, I have Mr. Jefferson in a trash bag behind me. We all know what's about to happen. Mr. Jefferson is about to get pied. Now this is a tradition that's been happening for a little bit and we're bringing it back. Mr. Jefferson, how are you feeling? How are you feeling, Mr. Jefferson?
I'm a little scared.
So as we can see, he is a little scared. He is shaking in his boots. But we have two pies. Now I don't know how thick these pies are, but I do know one thing. It is not going to be pretty. So first up, we have Matthew ready to pie, Mr. Jefferson.
Oh, what is this from, Matthew? Why do you get to do this?
Why not, mate?
As you can see, Mr. Jefferson is a little bit confused. Matthew has a job, and he's going to get it done.
It said something about a math class reward, but I didn't know this came with it. You know what? I'm not scared. I'm Mr. Jefferson.
So, do good in math if you want to pie your vice principal. And Mr. Jefferson is not scared anymore.
It's not even like Matthew is going to make it anyway. So, let's go.
We have a little bit of trash talking going on. And he pied him and I was in the splash zone. The pie is everywhere. Straight to the face. I don't even know if he can see.
Next. Next.
He clearly didn't miss. The trash talk didn't go through. Next up, we have Peyton with the second pie.
No way two people.
Is it going to be 2 times in a row?
No way. Two people have aimed that well. No way.
Oh my gosh! And you could hear the clap of the pie straight to his face. He's on the floor. The trash bag didn't help all of this mess, but as you can see, Mr. Jefferson has been hit twice. This was a once-in-a-lifetime scene, and I am so glad to have reported it. Mr. Jefferson, do you have anything to say for yourself?
Don't do so well in math next time.
That's his words of advice. Don't do so well in math next time. I personally think everyone should do well in math if you want to pie your vice principal. I'm Piper Wright, your reporter on the scene. This is the Paul's TV crew. That's Mr. Jefferson, and I hope you all enjoyed.